You can see pound dollar making its way across to our next DSR level. This nice red box right here between 132.23s and 132.67s. What do you think we should do at that level, guys? Should we look for a potential buy or a potential sell? How is our mindset as we approach that level? What do you think? Approaching previous structure resistance thanks to our nice big red box here. What else do we have at that level? You guys see anything else? Anything else, guys? See anything? See anything else, guys? Hey guys, hey. RSI is overbought. Now again, RSI overbought doesn't tell us that the market's going to reverse, but it's a clue. It's a clue. And if you're a CTS trader, right, combined technical score trader, what you're trying to do is you're trying to put these clues together. So you can look at this setup. You can say, okay, well, boom, price action is at major structure, right? At major structure. What else do we have? RSI is exhausted, overbought, right? Then, and again, this is going to be different per trader, what you need, right? What else can we look for? Well, we can look for divergence, right? We can look for a retest of structure, right? That can be a double top or double bottom, or a double top in this case, right? We can look for divergence, that's what I want to say, as Gene just mentioned. Divergence. Divergence, that looks about right. You can look for divergence. There aren't going to be any fibs there, but you can look for fibs. I can tell you right now, there are going to be no fibs there, but that would be something that you want to add normally, is Fibonacci's. See if there's any Fibonacci influence there. You can look for reversal pattern, right? So this is what needs to be going through your mind as price action approaches this level. And it all starts with what we talked about earlier, right? The first thing I asked you when I looked at this chart, I said, are you guys looking for buying or selling opportunities? And you guys said what? Selling opportunities. Right then and there, what we did is we eliminated half the battle. We focused in on a single goal. And it doesn't seem like much. It probably doesn't seem like much to you guys now, but it's massive. It's massive. When you take into account all the ideas that are going through your mind, if you can eliminate 50% of them, that is big. It's going to shift your focus so much. They do this a lot with, here come insert your daily Akil sports reference. We can actually take a shot on a short entry here on the pound. Here's what happened. Here's what stands out for me, right? Market's going up, right? We consolidate. Everybody see this consolidation, sideways movement? Follow that with what? I forgot this cheat sheet was on there. New structure high, right? Are these things helpful or annoying to you guys? These kind of new structure high, higher lows. I've had them on my charts for the last few days. I'm always trying to find better ways to kind of help teach. So it's just curious. Dead helpful. It probably depends on your level of trading as well. I would suspect that's probably a bad question to answer. I don't like extra stuff on my charts. I'm typically more of a naked trader. Bow chicka wow wow, right? But if it's something that's going to help you guys, then that's beneficial. Anyway, so we have our new structure high here, and then we follow it up with what? Break below, close below. That's that sign of what? That gives us a get in rotation. Yeah, right? Trend rotation. Tell you what, if we get a move back up here, if we get some hidden divergence, meaning we get a lower low here, or a lower high, excuse me, and we get a higher high on the RSI, that's worth a shot at a short entry. That can be a very sneaky first strike reversal signal. Again, what I would look for is a retracement back in the previous structure, even if it's a consolidation. I'd love to see some hidden divergence. That means our RSI goes higher than this previous one, right? So our RSI looks like this, while our price action looks like this. You guys with me so far? Give me a yes. I think that's a good signal for a short. Stops can hide right above previous structure highs. We're on a 5 minutes. We have a small ATR, so we're looking at stops about 132.30s, something around there. Targets, obviously you can look for a retest of previous structure lows. That's going to be your safest level of target. Your secondary level for target taking, though, however, is going to be massive. I'm going to say right either in here or down at this level right here. So pay attention to this move. I hope my range bar charts work. I've been swinging and missing on them all morning as far as loading them up, but hopefully that works. But looks like they're not, so we'll do it old school way. Anyway, I feel like that's enough. I feel like I've blown up most of your heads for this morning already. I'm sorry, that was a lot, but again, you spend enough time here in the live room with me, guys, it will make sense. It seems like a lot, but the fact that I come in and I do the exact same thing every day, the more time you spend in here, the easier it's going to be for you to catch on. Trust me, I promise you. Ask any of our live room members that have been here for weeks, months, years. They'll tell you. They started off with a big brain explosion. Now it's like they know what I'm going to do before I even do it. So if it didn't make sense, don't feel overwhelmed. It will. The more educated you become, the more comfortable with myself you become. Let's take a 13-minute break. Allow this to marinate, and then we'll reset. I told you it was a busy day on the chart, did I not? I told you it was a busy day on the charts. So we'll come back and we'll get to the rest of our pairs. Great first half. This is an awesome way to end our week. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.